Welcome to Adarsha Dress Palace, Hyderabad. Adarsha Dress Palace, www.adarshadresspalace.com. We now try to explain you demonstration of how to take the measurements of a Indian classical dance costume. So here a dance costume has got 5 pieces. Piece number 1 is the blouse. Piece number 2 is the pallu. Piece number 3 is the back piece. And piece number 4 is the fan. And piece number 5 is the pant or kacham, what we call. Now we will demonstrate you how to take the measurements of each part. Let us start with the blouse. Now we will show you how the blouse measurements are taken. So blouse length. Now we are taking the length of the blouse from shoulder to waist. Now we are showing length of the blouse from shoulder to waist. Here from shoulder to the waist, this is the length of the blouse. Point number 1. And point number 2 is chest of the blouse. How to take the chest of the blouse? This is how these are the tight measurements of the blouse. So give us the tight measurements of the blouse. This is the chest round, and then we will keep the enough margins. Chest of the blouse. Round chest of the blouse. This is how you have to take the chest of the blouse measurements. And number 3 is waist round. This is the waist round. Waist of the blouse and waist of the pant is different. This is the waist of the blouse. This is how you take waist of the blouse measurements. And number 4 is shoulder length. Shoulder length. Shoulder width is taken like this. From this point till that point of the shoulder. This is shoulder length. And point number 5 is neck length. Neck length. How to take the neck length? This is the neck length. We take the neck length up to this point. From top of the neck till this point or this point, wherever you want the neck length, you can give. Okay, and again back, then arm length. This is the arm length. This is how we take the arm length, and this is the regular length we generally observe. You may go up to this, you may go up to this, you may go up to this, or you may go up to this. This is how you have to take the length of the arm. And the next point is armpit round. Armpit round under the arm. This is how we take armpit round. Up to this, from here to this. This is the tight measurements we require. This is armpit round. And the next measurement is arm round. This is the arm round. These are the requirements of the measurements of a blouse, and these are the demonstrations how it has to be taken. Now our next point is back piece. How to take the measurements of back piece. This is back piece. This portion is known as back piece. And how to take the back piece measurements? See, for back piece we take waist round, waist round, waist round, Waist round for the back piece, and length, waist to buttocks length of the back piece, length of the back piece, and hip round. And hip round. బ్యాక్ చూపించాలి. hip round ఏడో చూసి. Hip round for the back piece. So here back piece has got three measurements. One is waist round, one is length of the back piece, and another one is hip round. This completes the measurements of back piece. The next measurement, the important measurement, is kacham or bottom piece. Number one, now we'll have length from waist to ankle. Length from waist to ankle. This is the measurement for kacham or pant. Length from waist to ankle. And the next measurement is waist round for the pant. Waist round for the pant. And the third measurement is hip round. Third measurement is hip round. And fourth measurement is thigh round. Thigh measurement. Thigh measurement. Please see how the thigh measurement has to be taken. This is how thigh measurement is taken. This is the thigh measurement. It is showing us 25 and a half inches. This is thigh measurement. And the next measurement is knee round. Knee round. Just knee on top of the knee. Knee round. And the next measurement is heel round. That is a heel round for the pant. And the last measurement, this is kiss round. This is known as kista, where the pant exactly sits. Make a U. Make a U from the back.
Start.
And in the front, you pull it, making a U from back and to the belly button, from belly button to the back of the buttocks. This is how you have to take the kiss measurements. From here, just going down and coming in the front like this, coming in the front like this up to this. This is the kiss round, where the pant exactly sits. And the next measurement is waist to knee length. Waist to knee length. That is the next measurement. So hope it's clear now. For the pant or kacham, we have 8 measurements. One is length waist to ankle. Second is waist round. Third is hip round. Fourth is thigh measurements. 5 is knee round. 6 is heel round. 7 is a kista from belly button to the back, making a U. And 8 is waist to knee length. This completes the measurements of pant or kacham. Now the next measurement is paita or oni or pallu. So oni length from shoulder to waist. 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 These two measurements are required for pallu. One length is this and the other length is this.
Back
Okay.
is back.
And chest round again. Chest round for pallu. Chest round for pallu. Chest round for pallu. And back length. Paita or Oni back length. Go back. This is the back length. This is how you have to take the back length from shoulder. You have to take the back length. So here, Paita or Oni has got three measurements. One Oni length from shoulder to waist. Number two is chest round, and number three is Paita or Oni back length. These are the measurements how you have to take and submit it in our measurement form in the website www.adarsha.dress.palace.com. Here we complete the demonstration of dance dress measurements. Thank you.